Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the all snap Google Chrome error. And this tutorial is being performed on Windows 11, but will apply for Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 computers. But this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search icon, type in msconfig. Best result should come back with system configuration. Go ahead and open that up. Select the Services tab, select Hide All Microsoft Services, and then select Disable All. Select Apply and OK. Select the Restart button. And once you're back into Windows, open up the search menu again, type in msconfig, best match system configuration, go ahead and open that up. Select Services, hide all Microsoft services, and then select Enable All. Select Apply and OK, and then select Restart again. And there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.